Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, since I'm doing a gluten-free month, I thought it would be super effing awesome to make s'mores out of macarons because graham crackers are not gluten-free. So there's this really awesome bakery in Minneapolis, actually in Wayzata, called Bellecour, and they make these unbelievable macarons. So I went by today and I picked up 2 vanilla, the ones with the sprinkles, and then a lemon, and that has a lemon curd inside. And then I just torched some marshmallows and made some chocolate ganache, and that's actually sugar-free chocolate, just because I felt like having less sugar today. And then yeah, I just put it all together. I actually cannot figure out how to work my kitchen torch, so I had to use one of those candle lighters instead. Alright, let's get started. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. What an amazing idea. The macarons are so light and they've got like a moisture and chewiness that, oh my gosh, one of the best textures ever. The macarons are pretty sweet, and so I really love the torched bit on the marshmallow because it adds this bitterness, and the chocolate, which is no sugar added, is very dark, so that's also pretty bitter and balances out the whole thing. this is the lemon. Oh my goodness. There's a little hole in the center of the marshmallows. There's not another marshmallow in the center, so I decided to just fill it up with chocolate ganache. And so as you're biting in, you get like a burst of chocolate. Such a good idea. Okay guys, that is about all of the sweets that I can personally tolerate in one sitting, and I kind of want to save this last one for Shane so he can taste how absolutely fucking awesome it is. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give me a like, comment below what you'd like to see me eat next. If you want want to see more videos like this or other mukbangs, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, there's a little bell icon next to the subscribe button that you can click. This helps Google show you what you really want to see. They don't know unless you tell them. If you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is at @the_hunger_diaries. My TikTok account is at @the_hunger_diaries, no underscores, though I really actually need to start posting on that. Alright guys, thanks again for joining me, and I will see you next week. Bye guys, have a great weekend.